Here are two quick and powerful Excel tricks you must know. Friends, here we have some amount data in Excel, but the problem is that all these values are in text format. Because of this, Excel is not able to perform any calculations. Now look at this. When I try to calculate the total using the sum formula, the result comes as 0. That's because Excel does not treat text as numbers. One option is to retype all the values manually, but when the data is large, this becomes very time consuming. So let me show you a smart and fast trick. First, go to the cell next to the value you want to convert, type an equal sign, click on the text value and multiply it by 1. That's it. The value is instantly converted into a proper number. Now apply the same formula to the remaining cells. You can double click or copy paste, whichever is easier. As you can see, all the text values are now converted into numbers. And when I apply the sum formula again, the total is calculated perfectly. Now suppose you have a list of party name in Excel and you want to create folders using each party's name. Doing this manually will take a lot of time, but we will do it in just one click. Now what we need to do is go to the cell next to the first company. Here type MD, give a space and then add double quotes. After that, enter the company name exactly as it is. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Now close the double quotes and press enter. The text for the first company is ready. To generate the same text for all other companies, simply press Ctrl E on your keyboard. You will see that the text is automatically created for all the company names. Now copy this text, open Notepad and paste it there. Now comes the most important step, saving the file correctly. In Notepad, click on the File menu and then click on Save As. The Save As window will open. First, select the location where you want to create all the folders. For example, we already have a folder on the desktop named All Party. So, select that folder. Now focus on the file name option. This is the most important part. You can type any name, but make sure to add .bat at the end. If you type only party list and do not add .bat, the file will not work. Now click on save. You will see that a new file is created inside the all party folder. This is called a batch file. As soon as you double click this file, folders will be created automatically using all the party names from Excel in just 1 second. I hope you like this video. If you found it useful, then please like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe to the channel for more such useful videos.